was the first time I was paid twice. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Tribe Space, and you and I know that this is where growth lives. Growth lives here. Welcome. So, guys, today we're talking about how much I made as a beginner in my virtual assistant job. So, the last video I did about how to make money online, I had a lot of questions from a lot of people. Oh, is this thing legit? Is this thing true? And all. So I decided to do a video about how much I made as a virtual assistant. So let's just get right into today's video. So first and foremost, all what I said in that video, they are legit. And I'm not just saying it because I researched online. It's because I have done some of them, and I can assure you, I was smiling to the bank. I will not be able to give out complete details of everything, but I will try to paint the picture of how lucrative these online businesses can be. So today I'm just talking about virtual assistant. I'm not even going to copywriting yet because that was the first job I started with. So let's just get started. The reason I love this virtual assistant job is because you do not need a lot to get started. It is very easy, and to get acquainted with it, you just need to just read some things online and you are good to go. If you guys would like me to compile a list of things that I did to get started, or you like a Kickstarter, a course, or an ebook, or anything that will help you get started, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much. So at the time before I started this virtual assistant job, I actually wanted to do copywriting. So I love writing. And someone told me one time, my brother precisely, I was like, you love writing, copywriting would be good for you. And I was like, what was copywriting? Like, I didn't even know what copywriting was. So I went online, I researched, he sent me some things also. I went on YouTube and all, and I was doing my research and everything. So I liked what I was seeing, and I liked the fact that I didn't need to be in an office. I can do it from the comfort of my home, and I will have flexible work hours. So fast forward to when I've gotten myself acquainted with copywriting, I was still reading, I was still researching about what it entails and all. So I got a job, and to my surprise, it wasn't a copywriting job. It was okay. This guy actually needed a copywriter, but at the same vein, he had a copywriter that could do justice to the work on ground. So he said, okay, how about you become my assistant? And I was like, what's that? Like, legit. I was as shocked as you are right now. I was like, what's virtual assistance all about? And I will tell you the truth, I didn't even know the name of the job. He just gave a description of the job, and like, I will help. Like, he had a LinkedIn account, and he had people that needed the services, and he would be like, okay, how about you send my link to them, let them book a call. How about you tell me when I have a meeting? How about you do this? How about you help me sort out these files? How about you help me do this? And he had this capital funding business. I don't want to go into details. And he would just be like, I should help him sort out some stuff for the business. And I didn't even know that I was a virtual assistant until much later. And I will tell you how lucrative this work is. Even though at that time I didn't make a lot of money because I was a newbie, I was a beginner, and like I said, I didn't even know what the job was about. So, but I jumped on it. It was an opportunity, and I was ready to explore. And thankfully, then I was even seeking admission in university. So I was like, why don't I get busy while I wait for the university admission? And thankfully, I did. So guys, remember I said I was a newbie and a beginner at this, so I didn't even know much. And even as I didn't know much, my guy, I was paid every 2 weeks, and I was paid dollars. Like that was the first time I was paid dollars. I was paid in dollars, and when I changed the money, then due to that was back in okay, I'm trying to remember the year right now. I think 2019 or 2018, 2019, maybe 2018 December also. I can't really remember the time again. And I when I changed the money, every 2 weeks I was getting. If you ask me again, is this legit? I guess you have the answer by now. It is over legit. I get the fact that Nigerians are already used to this 9 to 5, whatever, and the fact that you'll be in an office doing your thing. I get it. But I just want people to begin to look outside the box, begin to think outside the box. There are a variety of opportunities available for you. And okay, let me just I don't want to go into details, but I've tried virtual assistants. I've worked as a virtual assistant. I have done social media management with my minimum knowledge of. I'm not even very good with Instagram, but I was a social media manager for a company for a limited period of time. I was just helping them post content, and I made money out of it. Like, these online businesses are legit. You just need to get yourself acquainted with the tools. And question comes like, okay, how do I meet clients that need this service? I would say get acquainted with the job first. Clients will come. When that opportunity met me, I was aspiring to be a copywriter, not even a virtual assistant. But I jumped on it and I was able to do well. If I knew that this virtual assistant work was the real deal, I would have made more. I would have requested for more money. But because I do know knowledge is power. And in our clients today, knowledge is money. The more you know, the more money you make. I don't want this video to be too long. I just hope you get the point. A virtual assistant business is really profitable. And I went on YouTube and I saw how much people are making off this job. And it is nothing compared to what I was making in 2019. Like, people are making way more. People are making more than $500 per month being a virtual assistant. So if you were not considering these online businesses, if you were not considering it at all, I think you need to reconsider and considering the comforts that you have. You just sit on your bed, sit on the couch, and you're chilling, and you're working, and you can decide to go to the kitchen to get something to eat. You can decide to go out. You can. This work, this life is not that hard. If you have the right job, it's not that hard. So like I said at the beginning of this video, if you would like me to compile ebooks or some stuffs that will help you get started as a virtual assistant, just comment below. Let me know and I'll work on that. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos, and I hope you enjoyed. I enjoyed filming this video. I like anything that has to do with money. And I hope you enjoyed this video too. Have you subscribed? If you haven't, take 1 minute and click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to like, comment and share, and don't forget to tell somebody that growth lives here. Thank you and God bless you. I told myself that this year more money must be made. My drivers, they must make money. I must open their eyes to businesses around them. I must open their eyes to opportunities around them. And I hope that this video gives you just the tip of the iceberg of what I have in store for you this year. Thank you and God bless you.